Pakistani Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said on Tuesday that the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative will bring prosperity for people across the world through enhancing global integration. Qureshi made the remarks at Margala Dialogue 2021, organized by the Islamabad Policy Research Institute, an Islamabad-based think tank. Qureshi said that the Belt and Road Initiative, with the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as a flagship project, utilizes the economic geography and enhances the connectivity of Asia, Europe and Africa.
When we speak of the future of foreign policy and the role geoeconomics is playing, we must speak about China. Our relations with China are resilient and poised to grow further. The Belt and Road Initiative BRI, of which China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) is the flagship project, will leverage economic geography and connectivity of the three contiguous continents, Asia, Europe and Africa, ushering in prosperity for all global citizens.
Highlighting Pakistan's strategic pivot from geopolitics to geoeconomics, the foreign minister said that a country like Pakistan, which is located on the crossroad of South, Central and West Asia, will remain accessible to all and reach out to all. He said diplomacy needs a multifaceted outlook to go beyond the traditional way in the 21st century and a post-pandemic world.
I would conclude with asserting that diplomacy in the 21st century in a post-COVID world needs a multifaceted outlook and one that goes beyond the traditional. One that is cognizant of a world where relationships are changing based on geoeconomics, access, and the use of technology and people-to-people contact, made all the more accessible with digital growth.